When cooking in a Combi-Camp, you have this kitchen which is placed really centrally in the living area. So it's like an open kitchen, it's a conversation kitchen, or it's a kitchen living area at the same time. So you can be together with the family while you're cooking at the same time. And you can also, of course, the whole family can help because there's plenty of room here. They can sit at the table or they can stand here at the kitchen. Another really great thing is that you're standing inside and outside at the same time. Now we have this big awning on with the sides and everything, but we have the whole front open. But this also means I can stand here and cook and have a really wonderful view outside. So I feel the outside while I'm standing on the inside. While I just stand here and waiting for my bacon to get done, I want to tell you about this shelf because this is really great. It doesn't look like much, but it's really a great expansion to the kitchen. It folds up when you drive, and when you get there you can just fold it down and you can put all sorts of stuff there. This time you use it for vinegar and oil and vegetables and salt and pepper. Sometimes you use it for toothbrushes depending on how much we have on with tents and stuff. But this is really a great shelf. I discovered something really great this time is that this lid here that goes over the kitchen when we drive is made of metal. So I can use it as a magnet board. So when we get to a destination, I can use this for information, for activity programs, for sites or whatever I want to see, as long as I have some magnets. So it's really cool.